Hey Homo sapiens and Marvats, it's me Marvy Scott. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. So today's look is inspired by an outfit that I'm wearing right now. And it's just inspired by the outfit. There is no name for the look. I don't know what the title's going to be until I actually post it. I would just like to say a big massive thank you to the two groups that I posted this picture on Facebook on, because they helped me come up with the name and image that I used in my thumbnail. Yeah, so if you're feeling this look, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, to Planet Marbasia. Woo! And yeah, let's get on to the tutorial. So guys, this is the first time round and I'm putting on my foundation, concealer, my base, everything, my eyebrows, and something flopped when I started to bake. My skin started to look like snake skin, so I had to start all over again. What a bummer. Anyway, I'm now dusting off my second face that I'm doing because I decided not to bake in this one because I don't know what went wrong. I think the sponge must have had detergent on it or something, but anyway, I'm going to now prime my eyes using a white concealer, and I'm just going to make sure that that's all nice and blended in properly so that there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going to go in with a yellow from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just making sure that that's all over my eyelids, and I'm packing this on very strongly because I want the color to be very opaque. I just want it to be very vibrant in this look. So going on with a nice teal kind of color, I'm just creating my wing, and I'm just also creating a, well, it's not even a cut crease, but I'm creating a look for the crease, and I'm dragging that down underneath my eye, where later on you're going to see what I'm going to continue doing with this eye. Going in with the green, and that's going to be my inner corner look today, so I'm just blending that green in with the blue and the yellows as they meet my inner corners, and then I'm going to go on to pack some more yellow on. I just wanted to add, if you look at this video properly or very carefully, you're going to notice that my eyelashes have a gap between them, and that's because I was trying to experiment with having a double upper lash line. I've never seen it done before, but I wanted to create that on this look. I just wanted something different. So if you see it, it's not because I didn't put them on properly, it's because I was experimenting with a whole new look. Anyway, going on with a nice fuchsia on my lower lid line, and I'm just, you know, putting that in like maybe 3/4 of my eye before I go on to put in some orange on. Now this brush that I'm using is slightly damp, just to make sure that that color payoff is very strong, because there's no concealer underneath my eyes. Going back into the teal color, I'm going to drag and blend that into the fuchsia that I've already done, and continue to make a wing, a double, you know, wing, horizontal wing, and then I'm going to do some highlighter into my inner corners using a Q-tip, just because I don't have a brush that I feel will be small enough to get into that, because my eyes are very pointy. Anyway, putting that highlighter on, and I'm packing on two highlighters. One is gold, and then I put a white highlighter on just to give it that extra pop, and especially for photos I want that pop to be apparent. Now it's time for highlighter, and I'm dusting this on very lightly using a fan brush, as you can see, and I am going to go back and forth adding more highlighter, but I just wanted to see how this looked with highlighter first before I brightened it up. So as you can see, I'm just lightly dusting that on, but it is very pigmented, and yeah, whatever. I go on to do my nose, and I do this very funny thing when I contour and highlight my nose. I suck it in, and it looks like I've got a whole completely new nose all over again, like I've had a job, but whatever. So just doing my lips before I go on to put some lipstick on and blend some shadows on. I love putting shadows on top of lipsticks when you can't find a perfect color for you. So I'm using a gold as my base for my lips today, and I can't remember, no, this is a Makeup Revolution lipstick actually, and then I'm using the same pinks and well no, I'm actually using one pink that I haven't used in this video so far, and I'm using that fuchsia that I've got on my eyes already, just to make this look coherent. I don't want it to, you know, detract from anything. Making sure that those lips are popping just like my eyes and my cheeks, and I'm just going to go underneath my brows because I just want to be sparkly but matte at the same time. I want the eyes to be matte and I want everything else to be sparkly. Going back in with that highlighter before the end of this look. Guys, that's how I got the look, and I had so much fun doing this. First time round was a bit tricky because I don't know what was going on with my face on this side, and yeah, but whatever. I got there in the end. Clearly something, maybe one of my sponges still had detergent on it or something, I don't know. Anyway, so this is the final look, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Rogue Marby Scott.